Friends, welcome to Technical RPA. This video, how to extract data from Web API. So once the data has been extracted, how we can convert those data into dataset frame. Here I am using a request package, JSON and datetime. So this request will help add content like header, form data and multiple part of the files. This request will help to get the data from WebAPI header, and this JSON will help me to encode and decode the JSON data. Once I get the request, the third one package is it will convert my datetime as a understandable format or else needed format. This SQLite, once I get the data as a structured format, as a data set, I will update those data into database. So in this video I'm going to show you the request, JSON and datetime, how I can extract the data and how I updated those data into as a data set. Here you are seeing I'm giving URL. As of now I'm using one of the share market Quantal URL to get the data. Just I'm printing URL. This content I'm getting a request from URL as a content. Once I get the content, I'm creating a data set to load JSON contents. Here you can see json.loads content will load all the JSON content as a data set. Just I'm printing URL and as well as data set. How you can see how the data has been. Here you can see this is the data. It's more than 10 lakhs records of data is available. My JSON request has loaded all the content. Here you can see all the content has loaded as a data table. Now I am going to comment out this print statement. Now I am creating a data frame as a list to open the data. Here I am using for loop to get the data as a formatted or structured data. Date I am taking as a year, month and date format. Here you can see the date is coming as a year, month, date. So that's why using hyphen I'm taking as year, month, date, and two dates, date and date one, and as well as here what are the data I have. Zeroth column, first person, second person, what are the position I'm taking as a row of 0, row of 1, row of 2 and row of 7 up to I have 9 columns available. Here you can see I have 9 columns of data is available. Those 9 columns I'm defining on it. Once the data has been defined, I'm appending into as a data frame. So once I append the data from, let me show you how the data has been populated in data frame. Just I'm running on it. So this is my data frame. Data from I have 9 columns which is having setup is my row of 0, and second one is date I converted into datetime, and third one is row 2 8.5, float float value of row 3 as 8.668. So this is the way my data frame has been identified. In next video I will show you how this data frame has been updated into a SQL table using SQLite. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this. I will update this code into my YouTube page. If you want, you can refer that. Thank you.